Hello, and welcome to the making of Brave Alecki. I am your director, Jake Abel, and I will be taking you on the behind-the-scenes journeys of the making of this wonderful short film. The idea came from Jared Padalecki himself. We were talking about Scottish caber tosses, where they take these massive, heavy logs and they run and launch them into the air. And Jared wanted me to make it look like he was actually able to do that. So he came up with this idea of finding this incredibly heavy piece of driftwood that he found all the way down the beach and lugged across the entire shoreline to get it here. As you can see, it's so heavy. This is him really trying to get a handle on this piece of wood. So knowing it was going to be heavy, he wanted, oh, here goes, boom. Snaps it. He even says, well, that'll make it easier. Still, not easy enough to throw this thing. So Jensen and Rob realized they could help him get to the starting position. And then I would come in, and we use the front end and cut it with this end. And in the caber toss, you get a bit of a running head start, and then you're supposed to flip it end over end. But here, we throw it up. I swish panned to the blue sky to hide the cut. This is what really happened. Snap. Snap, snap. Broke in 3 places. Luckily, we got it on the first take because there was no going back. So here comes Jensen with a smaller piece of wood that looks incredibly similar. And I'm going to hide the cut in that blue sky in between swish pans. So he throws it up, boom. I've already switched to that smaller piece of wood and I cut out of it. And we filmed this celebration piece. The original ending was us just all celebrating Jared's superhuman strength. Some of those shots made it into the final cut. Most of them didn't. And then we realized, to really sell that he threw this just unbelievable piece of driftwood, we should find another one that looked somewhat similar, and we'll catch it on the downfall. And that way, when Rob is standing next to it, you'll really believe, like, wow, that was really the log that they threw. So there's that cut there. Rob going, wow, I can't believe it. Yeah, because a lot of people that we showed this to that weren't there on set with us that day really believed that Jared threw that thing, and he didn't. And here's Rob showing how heavy it is and how just unable he is to pick it up. That didn't make it into the final cut. Sorry, Rob. And then here's the iconic final shot that we did 3 different times because I realized that I wanted to do this zoom in to make it very dynamic. And on the 3rd take, we just nailed it.